Hi all. Some of you may have doubt about how to frame a sentence with following and followed by. I am here to clarify about your doubt. Following and followed by has two different rules. While using following, second sentence following first sentence. For example, patient had an accident, then got admission. How we can write it in a sentence? Mr. X was admitted to hospital following an accident, which means accident happened first, then got the admission. The next one is followed by. Followed by is used to write in order. The first sentence followed by second sentence. For example, patient had chest pain in the morning and dyspnea in the evening. In this sentence, have to frame a sentence with followed by. Mr. X experienced chest pain in the morning followed by dyspnea in the evening. So the same sentence, how we can use with following. Mr. X suffered dyspnea in the evening following chest pain in the morning. So here the easy way to remember, second sentence following first sentence and the first sentence followed by second sentence. I hope this video will be beneficial for all of you. If you have any doubts related to OET, please write a comment in our comment box. In our upcoming videos, we will answer your doubts. This is Nimi signing off from EduSkills.